Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on an iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 13 or a newer version. Next, activate pairing mode on your PS4 controller by simultaneously pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Then, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select DualShock 4 wireless controller to connect. Once connected, the light bar on your PS4 controller will change from flashing to a solid color, usually blue or orange, indicating a successful pairing. Now, launch any game or application on your iPhone that supports MFI or made for iPhone controllers. Many popular titles offer this compatibility. Take a moment to test all the buttons and joysticks to ensure everything is working correctly for an optimal gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your iPhone and the PS4 controller. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity problems. You can also forget the device in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and attempt the pairing process again from the beginning. To disconnect, simply turn off your PS4 controller or go into your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select Disconnect or Forget this device. Using a PS4 controller significantly enhances your mobile gaming experience, offering greater precision and comfort compared to touch controls. Many popular titles, such as Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, and various Apple arcade games, fully support external controllers. Always check the game's description or settings to confirm controller compatibility before you start playing, ensuring you get the most out of your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.